Coming live from the command center of jwsolarusa. Guys, these are my sticks I'm gonna be using. Sticks. Then gonna be bury this one. What I'm gonna do, I'll make sure that I dig some holes, and I'm gonna bury this one and concrete it. Put some concrete into it, and these guys, instead of just driving them all the way in, feel like aluminum, but it's tough stuff. So I paid $4.95 for each of them. So the same store, my favorite store. But anyway, and guys, this is the thing I'm about to tell you, and this is where the wind turbine, the cable I just showed you, the aircraft cable, is going to be anchored to one of these devices here. But I'm going to be showing you on my next video what else I have to do to get everything situated for this wind turbine to be very, very, very strong and robust live at the jwsolarusa in Minnesota. So diving these guys in a hole, pour some concrete into it so that they get, make sure they're level, and they're gonna hold, let them sit for a while and hold this, because if the Guywire is already on this one and the wind is pulling, it's already tension, it's not going to uproot this thing. If you have only a rod like this all the way in, it doesn't have anything to hold this thing, you can pull this thing all the way upright. It can be out. You can yank it all the way out. But it has this kind of thing that's like a drill. When you do like ice fishing, you have that thing that drills all the way down, and this is how it is. So it can anchor with the concrete and pour the concrete, and after that, and put this one, put a little bit concrete and put this one in, make it be straight, and pour all concrete into it, so that, and concrete with probably granite stone, make it more robust. And this is what we do live here at jwsolarusa. We want to make sure we document everything, and we want to make sure that everything is coordinated, and we're going to do it the right way the first time, and that's all. Final. We don't have to keep on doing mistakes. I'm new on wind to do this, but guys, I want to make sure I document everything. I'm going to show you guys step by step what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm going to be using. Live here at jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like and subscribe. Coming live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, this is another video to show you what we're going to be using to anchor our wind turbine for winds and heavy loads, and for to make sure that the mast is upright and steady to carry our 2,000 watt Easter breeze, to carry a 2,000 watt Easter breeze 48 volt 40 amp wind turbine. Guys, let's take a look. I'm striking another deal right now, negotiating with Easter breeze to get a second turbine. Because of that, you can see on the previous videos I have 6 sticks I decided to utilize. I'm not going that high, but it's gonna be probably 2 wind turbines for 48 volts and 2 kilowatts. So we're gonna end up having 4 kilowatts of wind. So I'm bringing you different kind of series and step by step, and how we're gonna go about this in the first time and the right way, and it's gonna be correct. So guys, you can see it says I don't know if it's at half an inch they meant right there, and it says the left, and it says the right, the way you tied them. So, and I made a video earlier to show you how this thing's gonna work, and this one is gonna anchor to the sticks that I already had. Okay, the video you just watched. So this before this one, and it's gonna show you how we're gonna anchor this thing. And this, we're gonna use this things here as a tensioner. We keep spinning them around. We keep spinning them to tighten the guy wire. We want the guy wire to be really tight or level with the pole, the mast we're going to be putting up there. So we want to make sure we have a stronger tower, which our wind turbine is going to be taking. Maybe it's going to be one tower, but when it gets up there, we're going to split it. Like one pole is going to be like a J pole facing the other way. The other turbine is going to be the extension pole or extension rod. It's going to be like a pipe and welded, and it's going to have the two turbines going to be on the tower. So one is sitting upright to the top, and the other one is going to be a little bit down, maybe a 3 foot or whatever it is. So it's 30 feet high, and the other one probably is going to be 30 feet all the way high, and the other one is probably going to be at 20 feet, 27 feet. So it's going to be 3 feet apart. So at least we can have the clearance there, how the turbine is going to be navigating. So I'm thinking two of them put in the one mast just to save a bunch of stuff, space. And we're going to make sure that mast is going to be really strong. And if that be the case, we can use these three, and maybe I can buy 3 more of these. This one's cost me about $7.95 a piece. Okay, and incorporating how everything's gonna work, and I will show you on my next video how everything's gonna tie together and make it to work. And we're keeping a stronger tower, and I'm gonna be showing you step by step what I do or what I've done to get my wind turbine working. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa in Minnesota. Stay tuned.